How's it going, buddy? I know you're on the other line. What's wrong?
Thanks for calling Windows Refund Department. How may I help you?
Yeah, I was calling about my refund, actually. I was wondering if you can help me out.
How much? Okay, first of all, you are telling me, madam, you are the primary user of this computer in the house. Do
Yes.
you remember how much money you are paying for your computer security services?
No, I don't remember. I bought it like a year ago.
Okay, hold on at the moment. I am checking your record, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I see that your record you are paying for the last year. It is a $199.99 for your computer security services. But at this time, for some reason, my server not to be longer providing to you any security services to your computer. And that's the reason in order to process your refund. So now, madam, be in front of your computer, so I am sending to you online refund application form.
How much did you say my refund was? I just want to double check. How much did you say that my refund was?
Sorry?
How much did you say that my refund was gonna be?
$199, madam. $200.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so be in front of your computer, then I will help you.
Yeah, I'm there. Hello?
Right.
Hello? Who are you talking to?
What can you see on your what can you see on your desktop screen right now, madam?
I don't know. I was just wondering who you were talking to because I'm supposed to have your undivided attention. So I was just wanting to know who you were talking to. Yeah?
You just turn on your computer, madam.
It's
then
on.
See on your desktop screen.
You want to see what's on my desktop screen? Okay, so
yeah, come back to your home screen. Your home screen, madam.
my
Close
home
that everything
screen.
and come back to your home screen.
Oh, like my TV? I have a home screen, like that I watch TV on.
Yeah, so just minimize it, close it, come back to your home screen, madam.
But
Your regular
I
desktop
can't
screen.
minimize my TV. It's 55 inches. I can't minimize that.
Madam, I say that I turn on your computer, not your TV.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my computer's on. Hey,
What's see on your computer screen?
what do I see on my computer screen? I see
Yeah.
Decimi. I see Microsoft Downloader, Homebrew, Launcher. I see like the camera, DirectX 8A, some music, digital music, pictures, Skype. I see voice recorder. I see Sims
Are you
busting
serious,
out.
madam? I think you are kidding with me.
No, I'm telling you what's on my desktop. I'm telling you that my computer's
Okay.
on and what I see.
Okay, now look at your keyboard. On the extreme left hand side on your keyboard, you see that CTRL, the control button on the extreme left hand side at the bottom corner on your computer.
I think so, but it doesn't say control on it. But I do see CTRL.
Sorry?
I said it doesn't say control on it. I see CTRL though.
You see that control button?
Yes.
Next to the control button, which key do you see that?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Next to the control button, which key do you see that?
I see a Windows with a lock on there underneath it.
You see that the Windows button. So now, madam,
There's
just press the only one Windows button along with letter R. R like a robot.
Okay, but
Press
here,
the Windows button and the letter R at the same time is together.
okay, but there's something I need to tell you about my Windows key. There's a padlock underneath it.
Just
Will it lock up my keyboard? There's a padlock underneath it.
tab lock. Just turn off your tab lock, madam.
Look, it's part of the key.
the Windows and the letter R at the same time is together.
Okay.
Try.
All right. It won't lock up my computer since I have a padlock, will it? Okay, let me try it. Hold on. Okay, so I typed it in, and so it says type the name of a program folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you.
Right. Beside under box, you see that A open? You see that open?
Yeah, it's underlined. Open is underlined?
Yes, underline.
Okay.
Yes. Beside open, you see that A that is a typing bar with their white color. Small bar. You see that? The box?
Yeah, I see the box.
Small typing bar. You need to type here on the box. Type www dot
Okay.
helpme.net.
So what am
on
I
the one word.
How am I helping you?
Just in my website, madam. You just type www.helpme.net.
But you're supposed to be
one word.
you're supposed to be helping me. I'm not
Net.
You're supposed to be helping me. I'm not supposed to be helping you.
Madam, just a website, okay? Do you understand? You don't waste the time, okay? Just
I'm not. I'm just really confused. I'm sorry. Okay.
You type in the helpme.net.
Yeah.
And then after click on OK. You see that OK option?
No.
Click on OK, madam. Hit that enter.
I don't see it yet. It's taken forever.
Not see it at the enter button?
It's taken forever.
What?
It's taken forever. Okay. Alright, so it says be cautious if you receive unsolicited requests to access your computer. Only join support sessions with people you recognize and trust. So I could report abuse, establish support connection, type your name and the support key received from your technician, and click continue to proceed.
Yes. So just first of all, you type in your name on the name box.
Type in my name?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the name box. Only first name you put in over there.
Okay, so first name. Yeah, my computer's, it's not working. It's not letting me. I think it's whenever I pressed Windows and R, it locked everything up.
Hold on at the moment. I'm calling you the better line. You just hang up this call. I'll call you right now, the better line. Your voice is breaking. I can't hear you. I can't understand you.
You can't understand me?
Yes, because your voice is breaking. So I'll call you right now. Just hang up this call, madam.
You hang up this call.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call him back. Motherfuckers.
Hello.
Yeah, hello? I got a problem with my computer?
Yes, ma'am. It's just refund call to your computer, ma'am.
Yeah.
Do you remember, ma'am, you have paid a certain amount of money for your computer technical support and services?
Yeah, I think it was $199 last year.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, in order to process your refund, ma'am, you just need to be online with your computer. For that, I'm sending you the Microsoft refund application form, which you need to be filled from your side. After that, you will receive our money, ma'am. So, ma'am, I believe you're sitting in front of your computer right now.
Yeah, of course.
What can you see on your computer screen? Let me know first of all.
Okay, what I see is I see Microsoft Edge. I see 3D Paint. I see VBA, Caesar slots. I see some kind of eraser.
Okay, ma'am.
What?
Okay, ma'am. Just concentrate on your keyboard, ma'am.
Okay.
Extremely left-hand side, bottom corner on your keyboard.
Do I need to put
the
a can of concentrated juice on the keyboard so that I can concentrate on it?
Ma'am, just concentrate on your keyboard. Extremely left-hand side.
I'm
bottom corner
concentrating,
on your
sir.
keyboard.
I'm trying to concentrate and you're being rude. Okay. So I'm looking at my computer. I'm concentrating
Fuck
real
you,
hard.
bitch.
Hey, fuck you. You asshole. Why are you so angry?
Motherfucker.
Did your dad fuck you in the ass again?